you. Got a one-nighter. Now, I was going to dig out my lavoo. I was going to dig a trench and then I was going to do the reverse to coat a fire pit. You guys seen it before in one of my earlier videos, but it is supposed to be 18 degrees Celsius tonight, so no, I'm not having a heated baker tent on a day like that. Okay, so I'm just going to go with a hammock. So I've got a hammock that Lee, step away from the screen's made. So I'm going to sling up the hammock. I'm not going to bother with a top because the sky is blue. And I'm going to be up early, so I don't care if there's a bit of moisture. In fact, it might cool me down because I am roasting. I've put in 2 crayfish in pots, so hopefully we got some crays on them. And I've got some steak. So we're going to have steak, potatoes and crayfish. So like a surf and turf type thing. That should be pretty decent. I've gone for my lumpy haversack today. The one I've waterproofed on the video if you want to see a bit more detail about it. But so this has got a ridge line in here, so that you can't really set it up wrong. And then come around this side, you got a zip down here, and there's your hammock. So I'm just going to sling me sleeping bag in there. So sleeping bag I've got. Ugh. Right. So a Vango. So I've got a Vango Ultralight Pro 100. So yeah, nice and small, nice and light, perfect for summer. I'm probably just going to end up laying on top of it tonight. It is so warm at the moment. Then I've got the sleeping bag liner, so I can use that as a mozzie head net. I've got Trekology pillow, and that is it. Apart from my frying pan and my cooking bits, I'm going to be using for doing the crayfish. So this is going in, and I'll pump up the pillow. Right, so here's the Trekology pillow. I actually quite like this. I've found it on Amazon, but so plus points are little silicone beads on it, so it doesn't pop out from under your head. It's got a quick release deflation, so you press that and it goes down, press it and it stops again. And then if you've got a roll mat, it's also got that elastic strap that goes around your roll mat so it stays where you left it. Yeah, not bad, and super lightweight, packs down small. Job is a good one. And there's the sleeping bag, Ultralight Pro 100, which I got from Vango themselves, which is all right. Now always make sure you do up your bug net, because by the time it comes to bedtime, you're going to have problems. There's the net. Yeah, it's just down there. You can just about see. So there is lots of nice weed for them to hide in. There's a nice muddy bank, and the water's is deep enough so you can't see. And I can already see one in it. This will be better than the last one. The last one only had 2 in and a little stickleback fish. So let's have a look. Yeah. So we got a little fish and a little one with 1 claw and a leery one who's not that big, but let's see if this one's better. Drum roll, please. Oh, oh, this is looking good. Wow. There he is. My God, that one is huge. The size of him. Right, so let's count these up. God, there's some big ones in it. These claws are massive. Look at the size of his claws. He's huge. Look at those bad boys. Right. I hope to see the big ones. God, they're huge, aren't they, some of them? That particular one. There's also one with one huge claw. He's buried down the bottom, but that one is Larry. Look at him, giving it all that. Right, traditional firelighting. Done. Bigger stuff on there. So we just want all this to burn down, make ourselves a nice bed of embers that we can cook on. So we'll just pile loads on and then let it burn, and then we can boil the water and then cook some steak. Steak. I like steak. Oh, that one's sugar. On that one. So there we've got some bit of chilli powder and some salt. And a lemon. Try and get the bigger ones first because they're going to cook the slowest. Sorry, mate. those claws. Right, so we got some crayfish with Tony Shakari's Creole mix scattered on it after I shelled them. Then we've got some potatoes, some broccoli, carrots and sweet corn, one piece of rump steak cooked on the coals, another piece cooked in the pan, and some pan fried halloumi. Nom 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 nom. Let's see how well it cooked. Oh, that's not bad, is it? Yum, yum, yum.